Here are the two teams for tonight's show, Titchfield Masters and St. Mary High Masters. This is the annual Masters match in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. The Titchfield Masters are Henkel Valentine, 2009, Nedley Campbell, 2009, Renard Wood, 2008, and Team Captain Chase Roberts, 2007. And the St. Mary Masters are Peter Parkinson, 2011, Damar Najir, 2011, Tarif Montague, 2012, and Michael Henlin from 1984. Hello everyone and welcome to the annual Masters match of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges are Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Lily Samuels for the arts. Let's get right into the action. This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Titchfield Masters won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so please may I have that time on the clock. Titchfield, your first question is in Jamaican heritage. Which former Prime Minister was born in Martha Bray Trelawney and was conferred with the Order of the Nation in 2002? Correct. Jamaican heritage for St. Mary. On which Prime Minister's nomination was Sir Howard Cook appointed Governor General of Jamaica?
Percival James Patterson.
Incorrect. Michael Manley. General knowledge, a visual clue for Titchfield. Look at the monitor and identify this building in Rome.
The Colosseum.
Correct. General knowledge for St. Mary. Look at the monitor and identify this building in India.
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Correct. French for Titchfield. Which professional is une infirmière?
A nurse.
Correct. French for St. Mary. Which professional is le pêcheur?
A fisherman.
Correct. Music and audio clue for Titchfield. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer, please.
Elvis Presley.
Can't help falling in love. Correct. Music for St. Mary. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer, please.
It's very, very extraordinary.
Nate Cole.
Nat King Cole. Judges. L-O-V-E art. For Titchfield, which renowned Italian artist painted the beheading of St. John the Baptist?
Caravaggio. Michelangelo Caravaggio.
Caravaggio, correct. Art for St. Mary, which Venetian Renaissance artist painted Venus and Adonis?
Venus and Adonis. Sandra Botticelli.
Sandra Botticelli.
Incorrect. Titian. Bible knowledge for Titchfield, who saw Elijah taken up in chariots of fire?
Elisha.
Correct. Bible knowledge for St. Mary. On which mountain did Elijah challenge the prophets of Baal?
Mount Horeb.
Mount Carmel. Theatre and cinema, a visual for Titchfield. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
All right, Jordan Peele. No. All right, so this is Michael Dunkley.
Incorrect. David Oyelowo. Theatre and cinema for St. Mary. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
John Cusack.
Correct. Biology for Titchfield. After fertilization, the resulting zygote begins to divide by what process?
Mitosis.
Very good. Biology for St. Mary. What genetic disorder is caused by a type of abnormal cell division called trisomy 21?
Down syndrome.
Correct. Sport or visual for Titchfield. Look at the monitor and identify this former Jamaican and West Indies cricketer.
Brendan Nash.
Brendan Nash.
That's right. Sport for St. Mary. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
No.
Versami Parmal. Versami Parmal.
Incorrect. Rajendra Chandrikas. English language for Titchfield. Spell salacious.
Right. Yes.
So SALACIOUS.
That's right. English language for St. Mary. Spell fallacy.
What I say? Fallacy.
Correct. General knowledge for Titchfield. Give the name of the company which makes the luxury vehicle Infinity.
Toyota.
No. Nissan.
Nissan.
Is correct. General knowledge for St. Mary. Give the name of the company which makes the luxury vehicle Acura.
Acura. Honda.
Honda.
That's right. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Titchfield Masters on 10 points, St. Mary Masters on 6 points. It's time now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Regional Affairs. The question is, Sarah Ann Gill is a national heroine of which Caribbean country? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.